South Africa. So this post I just saw next absolutely shocked me. It's about Valentine's Day, and this restaurant apparently had a meal for 10,000 rand for a couple, and your starter was beautiful caviar. Then mains was steak and shrimp, and dessert was cheesecake, and bottomless Don Julio tequila. 10,000 rand South Africa. Now, if you are rich and you can do this, go. None of us wants to ever stop you, because however you got that money, go and enjoy your life. You don't owe us an explanation. But do we live in the same South Africa where this really happens? 10,000 rand for a couple. Now, don't get me wrong, there's very few husbands on this earth that loves their wife more than the way I love my wife. Not always in the financial position to maybe show it the way I would like to, but I love my wife more than anything. But 10,000 rand for a meal, that is crazy, people. I think my wife would actually be upset even if I had that money to spend that amount on one meal, knowing what we can do. Again, my mindset's different because I'm not in your price class. I'm just shocked. South Africa, speak to me. 10,000 rand. Nee wat, papa, kyk, ons steek nou 'n vuurtjie aan, gooi wors op die kolle, maak 'n lekker romantiese braaibroodjie. Valentine's like you've never had it before, baba. Pap, sauce. Oof. Yeah, you don't know Valentine's until you've had a braai. Oh, I'm gonna get crucified for this. Love you guys. Speak to me.